Haven't seen it yet to see what it is. Well, now I see it and I still don't know what it is. What's going on today, everybody? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. I'm James. We're back to the old bridge where I found the gun. I found a couple more bridges. We went to them. I knew it'd rain, but the one bridge you can barely see part of the railing. The other bridge you can't see none of it. So it's probably going to be 3 weeks to a month before I can even get to those. And at 800 subscribers, guys, I'm going to be doing a magnet giveaway. I'm going to give away a 1,200 pound single side magnet. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Be sure and tell your wife, your husband, your kids, your parents, everybody, so they can get in on this drawing. But at 800 subscribers, folks, I'm going to give away a single-sided magnet kit. So we're going to go see what we can find at this bridge over here again today. We're going to go strap the camera on and get after it. All right, guys, here we are back at the bridge where I found the gun the other day. Got my bucket. You can see I got my rope tied off. We're going to see what we can get after it. I haven't heard nothing back from that gun yet. I got to get back a hold of them, see if they found anything out. Well, looks like there might be something on there, folks, but I'm not sure. See a little bit of something. Well, there's a lid to a, like a Viney sausage can. No piece of wire and a, looks like a 223 casing. That's what I got something. All right, Dad says he's got something. Let's get over here and see what he's got. I don't know what that is. I don't either from here. Odd shaped, whatever it is. That's it. Plate of some kind, ain't it? Yeah, I bet it's off of this old bridge or off of something. It's been welded to plate. If anybody knows what that goes to, let us know down in the comments. All right, folks, we got something on there. Kind of looks like the infamous rebar. So, big old garfish came up out there. All right, folks, we got something on there if it'll stay. It's trying to run with us. Try to get a look at it. Current's moving not real fast, but I don't know what it is. It's heavy. Whatever we have. Oh, it's a piece of angle iron. That's been down there a while. Well, folks, we nailed it. It's a big old nail. All right, folks. Somebody was saying the other day people never show when they got stuck. Well, we are stuck. So the only thing we can do is try to throw a rope across over there to that little clump of rocks, hook it onto this rope, and see if we can get it loose. So that's what we're getting ready to attempt. All right, we're going to try to throw this claw and this rope over there and see if we can get it hung into that brush where we can go around. Well, that's close. Yeah, I about had it. Now I'm in that tree. Here we go. I got it on the, well, that's too low for you, ain't it? Right there? It's down there at that bottom rock. Okay, let's pull it. Once I get right here, I'm pretty good. I don't know if you can see that, folks. Dad's over there climbing down. Hopefully he don't fall in. See, that water's been up and it's muddy and slick. Can you see it down there?
Yeah.
Make sure you got a good hold on everything.
It's tied up good. Arm around it. Either that or come loose for a second. If something moved, it may have been that rope wrapped around the top.
Alright folks, we got the other rope down here. We got it to move for a second.
That's all.
We're gonna have to do something different.
Go get it come along.
Yeah, we may have to. Alright folks, we got the come along hook on it, hoping that'll do the trick. Alright folks, we're going to take this claw off, put it back in the bucket. I don't need to do that again today. It's way too hot for that. I just want to point something out on this magnet. I want you to look at this big old dent in it, folks. They come out with these 360s, and I hear that they're having a lot of trouble with them chipping. I do plan on getting me one, but you want to be careful with them. That thing's been through a lot. Alright folks, looks like we got something on there. See what it is, not sure. Oh, it's a curtain rod.
I really don't believe that's on that head.
No curtain rod. Alright folks, we got something. It'll stay on there. It's coming up high in the water. I don't know what we got. I think it might have just, no, it's still on there, whatever it is. Unless we got somebody's, I think we had somebody's fishing line, folks. Well, I told you we had somebody's fishing line. There's a crappie jig. Looks like a pretty new one. Well, folks, we've hooked on something. We can feel it moving. It's heavy. I think it just come off. Maybe not.
I would come up a little bit.
Feels like we still got some weight on there. What in the world is that, folks? Looks like a shoe rack. Look at that thing, folks. Dad said it might be an envelope rack. I don't know if it's an envelope rack or a shoe rack. Never caught one of them before. Dad said he's got something. Piece of pipe of some kind.
Yeah, boy. Maybe a chair leg.
Could be.
No, it ain't a chair leg.
I don't know what that is.
Some kind off a spray rig, ain't it?
Looks like it. Alright folks, we just clicked onto something fairly heavy here. The magnet will hang on to it. I think it's that same piece I was feeling under the bridge. Haven't seen it yet to see what it is. Well, now I see it and I still don't know what it is. Almost looks like a water pump off of a car. I'm not sure. That's exactly what it is, folks. Check that out. A water pump off of a car. Alright, folks, we got something on there if it'll stay. Been working at it, underneath that bridge. I could feel it move a little bit, and it kept letting go. Sheet of 10. That's why it was hard to get up. Those things will lay flat on the bottom and suck to the bottom. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. We didn't find a whole lot of stuff, but we found some pretty neat stuff. We got our magnet and claw stuck. Finally got that loose. That was quite a job. Remember, 800 subscribers, I'm doing a magnet giveaway, 1,200-pound single side kit, and I might even throw in a t-shirt and a sticker. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. That helps other people see my videos. And be sure and subscribe. They're both free. Until next time, beard out.